Hi there, welcome back to Wayne's Garage. Now, I've got a little bit of a dilemma. Now, there's another YouTube channel, um, and that I've been watching, Iron Trap Garage. Now, Matt, I'm not too sure if he still does, but he used to work doing YouTube videos for the Eastwood Company over in the US. Now, Matt bought the other day a homemade, custom built, you would say, I don't know if it's the 1930s or so, and that probably dirt track race car that was home built. Now, I actually have messaged Matt, and because Matt was thinking on doing a few little bits and pieces to it and maybe giving it away. Now, I've messaged Matt and said, mate, I'd really love the car. It'd be a really cool build to eventually do on this channel, on my channel here at Wayne's Garage, and that after doing the ute, or possibly taking it apart bit by bit, while doing the ute and that, and going from there. Now, it's got a flathead V8, which I actually don't really know much about. I'm more of a Holden man. I've always wanted to build an all steel body T-bucket hot rod, and by being able to hopefully get hold of this car, if I can somehow work out with Matt to get it shipped over here. Now, the thing is, like, as everyone knows, I'm studying now. I live in my workshop. I don't have the budget funds to always go along and buy parts, products and things like that. So I have tried and been trying to get products going for the YouTube channel, so then the money can go into an account, and that for this sort of stuff, by buying tools and parts and be able to progress the channel more. So what I'm wanting to do is, I'd like to be able to find out how I can ship it, who can help me with the shipping costs as a sponsor for the shipping, because over time I'd like to be able to actually do this build and get this car here to Australia, to my workshop, and show you guys and build it and so forth. Now, again, like I said, the channel doesn't have the budget. Well, myself, I don't have the budget to be able to ship something. I don't know how much it's going to cost, but I'm going to still try and talk to Matt about it. So, like, I've got the designs for the t-shirts and that sort of stuff to be able to do sales. I've got the stickers still. Stickers are $5 still, Australian, free postage within Australia, or 2 for $7. Now, that's not a great deal of money. I don't make a great deal off that. Probably about $1.50 off the stickers is my profit margin. That's about it. The t-shirts and that, I had a little bit of a hurdle with one of the t-shirts, but I'm hoping to get that rectified and fixed. But the t-shirts, they're $37, and that plus postage. Now, the postage is $10. I know it's expensive to start off with, but once I'm getting orders up there, if I'm getting 50 or 60 orders or so in a hit, and that, then I can get the t-shirts produced a lot cheaper. So then I can probably end up looking at doing free postage throughout Australia for the t-shirts as well, and probably free postage for New Zealand and the US possible. Now, I'd like to try and eventually do some live streaming, because I'm actually doing this from my mobile phone, because that's all I've got at the workshop available for me. I don't have a landline for the internet or anything like that. But the thing is, to get there, I'm needing 1,000 subscribers to be able to do live streaming directly off my mobile phone. So if everybody that checks out the channel and that can get along and just subscribe for me, just to help me out. Now, if you go over to my Facebook page for the channel, I do have a post there with a photo or screenshot of the dirt track racer, and that I want to try and get. And I mean, like, I really, really, really want it, and that I've sacrificed a lot. I got rid of one of my dream cars and my dream build to fund moving into the workshop and to buy. Where is it? Where is it? Over there, right there. The English wheel. The I got the bead roller there as well, and then over here, the punishing hammer. I had to fund them and the move into here. All the towing costs, fuel and everything like that. So I had to sell the Tirana. The Tirana also bought the old Holden Rodeo that I've got out the front, which is my hopefully work vehicle, parts deliverer, whatever I can get my hands on just to live and survive. And that. So I know I'm asking a lot, but if you can chip in, or if anyone's got an idea on how to do a GoFundMe page, and that, and help me out, even just to do that, and that, because I don't want to. Yeah, I just don't know. I want to do the build as a long term build, and that sort of stuff. But it's just a matter of getting it over here. Unfortunately, being so far away. So that's my dilemma for today. And that I am really, really keen on the build. So check out the photo of it on the Facebook page. Inbox me, message me. I do have PayPal if you want to chip in any form of way. And that, and yeah. Now, also on another note, I done a video the other day on stripping down the 4-speed gearbox. Now I do have a bolt over here on this side that the head's been slightly stripped off on, so I've got to work out how to get that one off, and then I can actually hopefully take the internals out and then get right in and clean the casing all up and give it a new fresh coat of paint and all that sort of stuff. Now, it's not a complete rebuild kit per se, I don't think, because I'm first time doing one. And that, it's got front sill, back sill, and that, so it's basically like a gasket kit, and that, so I'll be able to replace all the gaskets. It's got 2 seals, it's got 2 little two O-rings, and then it's got this little seal with another O-ring or something there, so I'm not 100% sure on that one. So we're just going to go along and do them. Don't know if I should take all the gearing off the shaft, make sure the shaft's not pitted or not. Like, I'm not going to be using it. It's just going to be just a build tucked away for a rainy day, or if I decide to sell it or not. And that, so I'd like to just at least have it all there with new gaskets and everything in it, so when I redo the 282, then I can just bolt them both together and put some oil in them and wrap them up and put them in the corner. Yeah, so yeah, I think that's probably about it for now. But yeah, once again, jump over to the Facebook page, like the Facebook page, please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget, jump through the videos, like what videos you like, thumbs up, all that sort of stuff. If you've got any ideas on anything that you want to see done on the ute, let me know, and I'll see if I've got the parts here, and I'll try and do my best to do the video. And that. So yeah, thanks again everyone, and until next time, cheerio, stay safe, and keep your upside down. Till next time, ciao.